Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 camera features you should know for the Samsung Galaxy M51. So the first feature I want to show you is about the camera, because you can launch the camera very quickly by just double tapping the power button and you're immediately at the camera without missing time. So just one more time, just tap the power button twice and you're immediately at the camera. What's very great, this works also if you are on standby. So if the phone is on standby, the screen is turning off and so on, and is turned off, and just double tap here the power button and you are immediately at the camera. And you don't have to tap the shutter button, by the way. You can also use this volume down button to take the picture. So you save also time that, and you don't miss a great picture maybe then. And yeah, the same thing, by the way, also for the video. You can use also the volume down key to start the video and the volume down key to stop the video as well. The next point I want to show you is about the camera, because if you're taking pictures, it's not 64 MPs like the camera supports, it's with 12 MPs, because the pictures becomes then a bit more smooth and so on. But you can use also the high resolution cam. Just tap here and go here on the 64 MP and you will have now the high resolution camera. But I would recommend you for more smooth pictures here, the basic cam. Yeah. The next mode I want to show you is Bixby Vision. Very nice, because you have a live translation tool in that camera. So if you go here on More, then you will have here Bixby Vision. And if you're using it for the very first time, you have to enable some stuff. And if you're going now here on the T, this is for translate, and you can live translate a text. And the nice thing is also that it's auto-detected. The only thing you need is the internet, because translating with Google Translate. And yeah, so you have a live translation here. And what is also very nice, you can translate it and so on, or you can just mark the text, maybe for your studies and so on. And you have then here, if you go here on the arrow, you have the German text, and below you have the translated text. So you can work immediately with, so perfectly for your studies, or if you're on holidays and so on. You can do a lot of stuff with, and I really like that feature. And so you have also on the magnification here, or here, you have also a QR code reader. And by the way, it's time to say also thank you so much for watching Phones and More. I cannot tell you this enough. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And yeah, so you can do a lot of stuff with the camera. But let's go to the next point. And you have some cameras, as you know, here. And let me show you what you can do with these cameras, because usually we just use one cam, but you can use so much more. I need my little friend here. Thank you so much for helping me. So this is the main cam, by the way. But there's an ultra-wide cam. Maybe if you're very close to an object or to a group, you cannot have the full group on the screen, but there's an ultra-wide cam. If you tap here on the menu trees, now you have a much more range here for the picture. So very nice. So this is the basic cam here. And the ultra-wide cam, you see much more, a bit like fisheye here. But the higher resolution and the better pictures you will have always with that camera. Okay, let's jump to the next thing, because if you're very close to an object, like me now, you don't see so many, but there's a macro cam. So if you go here on More and go on Macro, the pictures become more clear now, as you can see. But also the macro cam have not that much megapixels, so the quality of the main cam is much better. But you can enable also the macro mode automatically if this scene optimizer is enabled here, because then it should go also automatically here to the macro mode. As you can see, it looks better then. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, then you have here the single take picture here. This is a nice mode. Maybe if you have a scene you want to take a picture very fast, and this one capture many pictures and videos at one time. So and it is giving you the best after So you just take one picture and the phone is doing many of it. So this is what he did. Then he took a video and so on, but in some cases also you put it in black and white and so on. So it gives you many opportunities you should try. But this feature will take a lot of memory from your phone, because the phone is always taking more than one picture and one scene and so on. Okay, now I want to show you a selfie trick. So let's go here to the front camera. I have not that much space here, but I hope you can see that. So if you use the palm and hold it like this, if you want to do a selfie, then you will recognize the hand like at me now and will take a picture automatically. Yeah, so one more time. Yeah, you see my hand. So one more time, if I put my hand like this, you will recognize that I have my hand here. And you will take a selfie picture. So very nice. You should really try this feature. For the next feature I want to show you, I need my little friend here again, because we have also some filters here. So if you go here on the yellow pen or on the magic stick, we can use some filters. So this is the original picture, but we can have it a bit more warm, a bit more cold and so on. We can have it more gray and so on, as you want. And yeah, we have also here the beauty mode. Yeah, you can make your face a bit smaller if you want. So the jawline. But this is more for selfie pictures and so on. You can make the skin a bit more smooth, change the tone and so on. Yeah, but we are all beautiful, and yeah, we don't need that. You don't need that. And yeah, so the next thing I want to show you is the slow motion, because you can make slow-mo videos as well with this phone if you go here on more. So first of all, we have a slow motion thing and then the super slow motion. But the most useful thing is the slow motion. You can try also the super slow motion, but I would recommend you the slow motion. So let's start the picture here, because you can make longer videos at the slow motion mode. And let's have a look. Yeah, we have allow and so on. So as you can see, it worked well. So it was a bit too close to my hand. I hope you have a better scene than me. And yeah. Okay, now let's come to the last point. It's the night mode. So if you're very less light, you can take a picture as well with great results. So go again here on more, and we will have here the night mode. And now let me off the light to show you what I mean. Okay, hello. Okay, so my little friend, we will need you again now here. Okay, very important. Hold the camera very steady. The phone very steady, pardon. I'm shaking a bit. And let's have a look. Yeah, I was shaking too much. So this is the only disadvantage, because you have to hold your hand very steady, that the phone can catch really the light. Okay, and the result is very nice. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Let me on the light again to show you that everything is fine. And yeah, that's the picture I took with less light, and as you can see, the results are very great. So it's much more light than our eyes could catch in the nature. So yeah, a very nice tool. And yeah, so we are at the end already of this camera features, but let me tell you that you can do so much more here with that phone. You can take panorama pictures, so the phone will support you here. So you can take panorama pictures. Then you can take yeah, here also on more hyperlapse videos. Very nice. Then you have argued reality stuff here. So I can make selfie doodles here. I can give myself a hat and so on, maybe, and I can move it, as you can see. So you can do really a lot of stuff with the phone. And argumentally, you have an own zone here for that. You can create your own argument reality emoji and so on. So you should really try some features here. Very nice, and I can really recommend that camera. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with and show you something new. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos. If you're interested in me, just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.